Meaning of improper.
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 Improper. The term improper refers to something that is not correct, suitable, or appropriate. It suggests something that deviates from what is expected or accepted by social, moral, or ethical standards. When a person's behavior or actions are labeled improper, it implies that they are behaving in an unacceptable manner. The consequences of being labeled as improper may vary depending on the context. It could result in social ostracism, loss of reputation, and even legal action in extreme cases. More often than not, it creates a negative perception of the person or entity and damages their credibility. Therefore, it is essential to adhere to accepted norms and standards to avoid being labeled as improper.